Hello, welcome to my channel Kids Growth. In this video, we know about basic parts of computer system and their function. We know about the computer case in short. This is the part that hold all of the internal components to make up the computer itself. It is designed so that it is easy to make everything look tidy, presentable, and easily portable. Secondly, we know about motherboard in short. The motherboard is the main board that is screwed directly inside the computer case. All other cards and everything else plug directly into this board. So it is called motherboard. CPU, RAM, drives, power supply and more all get connected to it. Its function is to integrate all the components so that they can communicate and operate together. Then we know about CPU means Central Processing Unit. In short, CPU is the basically like the brain of computer. It processes all the information on a computational level. It takes information from the RAM and process it to perform the task required for computer. Now we know about RAM means random access memory in short. RAM is a data storage device that can provide fast read and write access. RAM is also volatile, which means that it loses all the storage data when power is lost. Then we know about graphics card in short. A graphic card processes the data from motherboard and send the appropriate information to the monitor for it to be displayed. Now we know about sound card in short. A sound card can offer a wide range of connectivity with various audio equipment. Then we know about hard drive in short. A hard drive is a mechanical drive that stores all the data, which can also used as a boot drive to run the operating system from it. We know about PSU means power supply unit in short. A power supply unit mounts inside the computer case. This converts the AC main supply from the wall socket and supplies the correct DC voltage to all components inside the computer. Then we know about monitor in short. A monitor is what you use to visualize the graphics data sent from the computer's graphics card. It is an output device. Now we know about keyboard in short. A keyboard is one the ways to communicate with the computer. Typing key from the keyboard send a small portion of data to tell the computer which key was pressed. It is an input device. Then we know about mouse in short. A mouse allows the user to move a pointer displayed on the monitor and experience a more user-friendly interaction with the computer. Scrolling is also done by mouse itself. It is an input device. Now we know about printer in short. A printer can take an image sent by a computer and deliver it onto a sheet of paper. It is an output device. Then we know about a scanner in short. A scanner can take anything on paper and scan it to produce a replicate digital image. It is an input device. Now we know about computer speaker in short. Computer speaker can connect up to sound card at the rear of computer. Then we know about UPS. means uninterruptible power supply in short. It's provide battery backup power when the electricity drop to an inadequate voltage or if it stops. Now we know about pen drive in short. Pen drive are often used for storage, data backup and transferring files. Compare with floppy disk or CDs, they are smaller, faster, have significantly more capacity and are more durable due to a lack of moving parts. Now we know about webcam. In short, a webcam is a digital video device commonly built into a computer. Its main function is to transmit picture over internet and also used for recording image. It is an input device. Then we know about headphone or earphone. In short, this device is used for single user listen to an audio source privately. It is an output device. The last topic is microphone. A microphone is a device that translates sound vibration in the air into electronic signal or ascribe them to a recording medium. Microphone enable many types of audio recording device for purpose including communication of many kinds as well as music and speech recording. If you like this video, please like and share the video and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.